Subscribe to our channel. Joint Health Supplement, Chewable Tablets, by YuMOVE. Review. Are you looking for hip and joint health supplement for all dog breeds experiencing hip and joint concerns? Hip and Joint Health Supplement, by YuMOVE, is clinically proven formula that supports dog joint structure, healthy cartilage, collagen and joint health, to help promote mobility and flexibility. Why choose Hip and Joint Health Supplement, by YuMOVE? Hip and joint pain, caused by arthritis, is a common and painful problem in dogs that affects at least 20% of them. Arthritis is inflammation in the joint. Normally, cartilage lays between two bones in a joint, and cartilage is as a pillow. As the body ages, so does the cartilage, and that ends with bone rubbing on bone, which leads inflammation and pain. Steroids are very effective in reducing the inflammation, but they don't restore joint and hip structure, and can even damage kidneys and liver of your dog. YuMOVE is made off the finest active ingredients, including glucosamine hydrochloride and ActivEase Green Lipped Mussel, with up to 11 times more active omega-3s than standard joint supplements. Would it be great if we could do both without the risk for your dog? Joint and Hip Supplement for Dogs, by YuMOVE, has been created with mobility and flexibility of your dog in mind, and clinically proven ingredients in the supplement focus on just that. Help support a normal inflammatory response, and reduce inflammation in the hip and joints, help rebuild joint structure and function, and promote flexibility. These 120 chewable tablets per container are intended for long-term use, to help improve mobility, stiffness, and discomfort within 6 weeks. YuMOVE Dog Hip and Joint Supplement. Pros and cons. Pros. Good, for keeping active dog active. This actually improves the mobility, rather than just ease the pain. Best pricing, and ships immediately. Cons. Do not buy for sensitive dogs. Some picky dogs won't take it as a daily treat. Makes some dogs ill and vomit. YuMOVE Dog, Hip, and Joint Supplement, by Features. Texture, 9.6. Flavor, 9.6. Ingredients, 9.6. Pain relief, 9.4. Value for money, 9.5. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Suits dogs of all sizes and breeds. This joint supplement for dogs helps provide quick and lasting relief from aching, swollen, or stiff joints. Whether you own a small puppy or a massive hound, this health supplement for dogs will deliver powerful and reliable hip and joint care support for your four-legged pal. Soothe hip and joint pain. Specially blended to bring back your dog's playfulness and active spirit, while maintaining healthy cartilage, hip and joint health, ease joint stiffness, and advance discomfort. Clinically proven organic ingredients help reduce inflammation and support cartilage and connective tissue in your dog. Fast-acting relief for dog mobility. These hip and joint supplement chews act more like treats for your dog. Hyaluronic acid reaches the joint within 2 hours, supporting lubrication and shock absorption. Vitamins C and E neutralize free radicals, helping to maintain joint mobility and prevent premature aging. Speed up recovery. Your dog, as a member of the family, deserves the best. YuMOVE is developed by pet pharmacists. If your doggy is recovering from a joint or hip injury, this dog hip and joint supplement contains glucosamine hydrochloride and D-alpha-tocopherol, working together to speed up rebuilding of connective tissue. Clinically proven for joint and hip health. YuMOVE Joint Health Supplements, trusted formula, makes a tail-wagging difference for stiff and older dogs in 3 ways. This hip and joint health supplement is clinically proven to work within 60 days, thanks to the top strength of cold-extracted ActivEase Green Lipped Mussel and glucosamine hydrochloride. Based on over 7,570 customer reviews and an overall 4.6-star rating on Amazon. Joint Health Supplement, by YuMOVE, has been designed to help decrease joint and hip inflammation and pain, rebuild joint structure, restore cartilage, and help older dogs get around better. Here's what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. 13-year-old bomb. I read the reviews, and most were very good. So didn't like the price, but thought I would try it. My 13-year-old dog would not even go up 3 stairs. He has been on this pill, which he loves, for about 3 weeks. I'm amazed at how well he is doing. He flies up the stairs, the limping is 75% better. I'm writing this because it is a true review. I hate it when someone gives false hope about a med for your animal. Not sure if it will work for your animal, but it did work for mine. I showed it to my vet, and she also approved. I bought 300, so I'm very thankful he likes them, or I was going to take it for my arthritis. Says Thomas E. Myers. 5 stars. Great product to help older dogs get around better. This is an excellent product. My dog is over 16 years of age and suffers from arthritis. YuMOVE has made a significant difference in her mobility. She now trots around, trying to chase the other dogs. Best of all, this company has the best pricing for this product and ships immediately. Thank you guys. Cheryl and Blackie. Says Cheryl. 5 stars. A combination of raw feeding and YuMOVE. Our 14-year-old dog has shown great progress since we switched him from dry food to raw. He has always been agile and continues to be very energetic. He's been taking it for well over 2 months, and he has shown significant changes. We took a month break from the pills and noticed he was not getting up as easily from his bed. We quickly got him back on his supplements, and he's already jumping out of bed. The price is a little high, but I guess with everything getting expensive, it's expected. We make the effort financially to keep our dog well taken care of. So it's not a big deal. We highly recommend this product. Says Kelly. 5 stars. Highly recommend. I was skeptical about this in the beginning, but my 10-year-old dog's hip dysplasia was getting worse. We tried different glucosamine pills, and even homemade turmeric, golden paste. Nothing was working, and our guy was having a difficult time going upstairs to bed at night. Needless to say, it has been 7 weeks, and we have seen such an improvement. He sometimes even goes upstairs during the day to see what we are doing, and even jumps after his brother now. Says Nicole. 3 stars. Not strong enough for old senior dogs with arthritis. My old pooch is no longer benefiting from these. I have purchased YuMove Plus with extra 20% strength directly from the seller. He seems to feel better on those. Says Laura Dumitru. 1 star. Makes dog ill and vomit. Not sure what's wrong with this, but it made my dog extremely sick. Says Janet. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.